Homeowners could face up to 15 years in prison for knowingly renting premises to scammers. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. In reference to Law Reform Fraudulent Transaction Special Transaction Act of 2013, the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA is alerting the members of the public to be extremely vigilant for persons who are renting properties in upscale communities in order to carry out their illegal activities. In fact, MOCA is advising that owners, occupiers, or any person responsible for the management of premises or permit the premises to be used for any purpose which constitute an offense under the above-mentioned act could face up to 15 years in prison if found guilty in the court. In a release on Wednesday, Detective Inspector Antoinette Morrison, press officer for MOCA, said that the agency has noticed a worrying trend of persons, particularly those involved in lottery scamming, renting upscale Airbnb apartment and using the premises as stage ground for their criminal activities. We want people to be aware of these persons and their activities, said Morrison, not only to alert them to the practice, but also to inform or remind them that under the Law Reform Act and Fraudulent Transaction Act, Special Transaction Act, that they themselves can be arrested and charged if found to be aiding and abetting the commission of these criminal activities and knowingly allowing the use of their premises, she added. Under the Act, which came in effect on March 28, 2013, amended on April 7, 2014, it is an offense for the owner, occupier, or any other person responsible for the management of any premises to permit the premises to be used for any purpose which constitute an offense. Morrison was quick to point out that it is very important that landlords take reasonable precaution before whilst renting their premises, as she said, willful blindness towards the criminal activities of tenants not absolve them from prosecution. The release said since the start of the year, MOCA has made several arrests of persons involved in lottery scamming and seized a number of identity cards, electronic devices, and other items related to crime. The agency said it also recently signed an MOU with the Financial Investigation Division as part of a collaborative effort to fight major and organized crime. MOCA is urging members of the public who have information on persons who are involved in lottery scamming, corruption, and other major organized crime to submit that information via MOCA online tip at www.moca.gov.jm. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.